Hey guys, this is Sean, the M2 designer, and today we're going to go over our 124 scale release. This is release 64, and that includes our 1958 Chevrolet Apache step-side truck and our 1966 Ford Mustang 2+2 or fastback. And let's take a deeper look at both. Okay guys, first up is the 1958 Chevrolet Apache step-side, and let's look at that right here. And you see that it has an orange body with the white top, and it's not a bright white, it's kind of a cream white. And we got the grille. The headlight buckets in the grille are chrome, while the bumpers are white. Even the rear bumpers are white. You can see right there. And the tail lights are little chrome pieces. And it's running on the truck steel wheels with the white poverty disc or poverty caps or dog dish hubcaps, whatever you prefer. And this one also has the roof visor, and that's kind of an option. It helps you block out some sun. And this one is the custom, the big back window. And there's the tailgate. It opens and closes. Again, this is 124 scale. And we'll go on the interior. Let's open this guy up. There's the doors. And it's got the stock bench seat. It's black interior, black dash, black floor with the white seat. And you can see the steering wheel and the gear select. Let's see if we could get the floor shifter right there. It's kind of hard to tell because it's black and it's coming up and over the bench seat there. And then the engine, this particular model, this is a two-wheel drive, and this one has the V8 engine. So 1958, that would be a 265 cubic inch Chevrolet V8. You can see it back in there, tucked away inside. Whoops. There we go. You can see that it's painted gray. The truck engines weren't the Chevrolet orange yet. They were gray back then, the stock truck. And yeah, 265 V8. Or 58. No, you could get a 283. I'm sorry, excuse me. So you could get a 283. 265s were last used in 56, and in 57 the 283 started to come in. So it'd be a 283 V8, 283 cubic inches. And there we go. We'll show you the chase car version. And here we go, guys. This is the chase car version of the 1958 Chevrolet Apache step-side. And this one, it's the same colors, the same everything. Basically, the only difference is on the chase is the use of the gold chrome. So you got the gold chrome bumpers and grille and headlight trim. You got the mirrors, the wipers, door handles, gas cap right here on the side, and then all the rims. They are not just the steel wheels and the cap, but everything on the wheels are gold chrome. There's even the tail lights right here and the rear bumper. The interior is still white on this particular one. And let's see the engine. Let's open that up. It's all gold inside. If you could, I don't know if you could pick up on that. Let's see if we get in there. You can kind of see the gold tint to the engine. And also too, if you ever notice, they're supposed to, on the base plate on the chases, put this like chrome foil stickers, like a reflective base. So that's also a chase attribute. But there you go. That is the chase, and I believe this is limited to 500 pieces worldwide. Okay guys, and we're moving along to the 1966 Ford Mustang 2+2 GT. And this one is done in more of an auto mod or pro touring car. This one is, how would you say it? This one's just simply bad. I mean, it is just awesome. I mean, it's a beautiful car. First off is the paint. This is our brand new black pearl metallic, and this camera is probably not inside here in the warehouse with this one light, is not doing this paint any justice. This is a beautiful black pearl with all this metallic in here, and you take this out into the sunlight, and then the pinks and reds and turquoises and greens start popping out, and it's just a beautiful piece. And you can see right here, it has the on the rocker panel, the sticker or the stripe, it's in a gray tone right here along the bottom. It has the Ford teardrop hood, so if you turn the hood down like this, it looks like a teardrop. It has 2 scoops right there in the back for air. And it's a really famous hood, one of the most popular, good-looking hoods from any factory. And just turn around and see that. And even the glass is tinted black, so it has a real custom look. The rims are they're black 5-spoke rims with the Goodyear tires printed on, and these are like the big Goodyear racing logo tires. And let's see, let's open up the interior here. Oh, it's a little stuck. And you can see inside it's got a gray interior with buckets and console. And then I don't know if you could kind of make out in the back, I don't know if you could see through the tint, but it has a roll bar back there. So there's no rear seat, it's got a roll bar, and this one's ready to go. This one's ready to go tear up the streets or the track. And underneath, let's see if we can see that, it has the 289 Ford Hypo engine with the supercharger. So you can see right here from the air cleaner, you've got a tube, and it's going to the centrifugal supercharger like a McCulloch or a Paxson supercharger. So to bump up the horsepower. And this is just a beautiful piece. Again, that brand new paint job. If you happen to get one of these, after you take it home, open it up and just take it out into the sun and look at that paint. It's just gorgeous, guys. Now that brings us to the chase car of the 1966 Ford Mustang 2+2 GT. And this one's a little different than the regular version, but what's cool about it, it has the same paint. This is our brand new gloss black pearl metallic with all the same metallic colors in there, not just the silver, but take it out to the sun, you'll see what I'm talking about, the purples and reds and greens and turquoises. So the major difference, it still has the gray rocker GT stripe on the bottom, or the Mustang stripe. But now it has the Holley, MSD, Mr. Gasket, Excel, Mallory, and Hayes logos all in that gray tone as well. And the other difference, it has the M2 logo in the back window. But also, too, all of the bumpers are now like the wheels. They are black instead of being chromed. So they are painted black. The headlights and the fog lights inside the grille are now clear yellow as well. Has the same teardrop hood scoop. And the other difference is that the interior is now red on the chase piece. So you can see the red interior. It still has the roll cage in the back, no back seat. You can see the gas cap is now red on the back. The rims are the same rims, the black 5-spoke tire and the Goodyear tires. So this is the chase piece, limited to only 500 pieces worldwide. Good luck. Well, there you have it, guys. We went inside both of these 24 scale release. Again, this is release 64, and this is our M2Machines 24 scale release. And we'll see you next time. And also do us a solid, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll keep making more videos, and we'll see you again next time.